For me, efficiency gave me my life back. In my office, no moment goes to waste. But it wasn't always like that. I would be working 20 hours a day if I didn't know how to be more efficient. But it's actually my specialty. I'm an accountant and an efficiency consultant. Over the last 23 years, I've helped hundreds of businesses evolve their workflows. Everything from software and hardware to how the desks are set up. Small business owners look to me as their trusted advisor, which I take very seriously. But I have so much fun making their businesses run more efficiently. In my work, QuickBooks is the basis of what I recommend. It's always been just so easy to use. And QuickBooks Desktop Enterprise is the mothership, the total business management solution that you can make your own. All the efficiency starts from there. And actually, survey says 9 out of 10 QuickBooks Desktop customers agree that it helps them get work done faster. Before you've even bought or loaded Enterprise onto a computer, you pick the edition that's tailored to your industry. So you're actually efficient from day zero. Each edition has specific tools and reports that are built with businesses like yours in mind. A system designed for your industry. Contractors, manufacturing, wholesale and distribution, retail, nonprofit, professional services, and accountants. The last one's my favorite, obviously. If you've never used a QuickBooks product, right away you'll notice it's so intuitive. The same is true for Enterprise, which is just so easy to use. You can onboard an entire team, no accounting experience necessary. I can't recommend it enough. Each user can even modify the icon bar, so their most used icons are the easiest to get to. I do this for all my clients when they're new to Enterprise. Sounds like a small thing, but it does make a difference in their day-to-day efficiency. The entire concept of Enterprise is efficiency. The whole idea is to put all your data at your fingertips. It centralizes all your vendor and customer information, all your inventory and prices, all in one convenient platform. In itself, this makes a huge difference for some businesses that may have been working in separate tools or using manual processes. But also, centralizing your data means you can do more with it. You can pull reports that reflect more of what's actually going on. You can automate entire parts of your business. One of my clients, after we worked over several weekly meetings to set up and automate Enterprise for their business, didn't need to meet with me anymore. Her business was just humming along on its own. After several weeks of this, we decided to grab lunch instead. Enterprise has so many features that work with your data, we could talk all day. I could never pick a favorite, but let's start with advanced inventory. Whether you're a mom and pop shop or a big box store, if your business deals with inventory, you know you've got to stay on top of it. With Enterprise, you can manage and track inventory across warehouses down to the specific bin or pallet. Orders are pulled from the right locations. Inventory levels are updated in real time, and it's all reflected in your numbers. You can even turn your inventory team's mobile phones into barcode scanners to manage warranties, returns, recalls, and the whole pick, pack, and ship process. I'm sure you can see how much efficiency this feature could bring just by itself. Speaking of orders, you can track and manage all your sales orders from one super efficient dashboard. This works beautifully with your advanced inventory data to show you orders across all locations, even when a shipment's on its way. That quick view into your sales and the ability to drill into some of those details and tailor your view, that adds efficiency to your day. And if your business works on a project basis, you can track job costs in real time. But before we go straight into that, we have to touch on two unsung heroes of job costing. Let's talk about tracking employee time with QuickBooks Time Elite and paying your team with assisted payroll. First off, those are tools native to the software, so there's no need to set up a system to bring data in from disconnected sources. It's just there. So that's huge time savings and huge efficiency. And, this is a big and, you can bring those two consistent streams of information into your reporting. First and foremost, with job costing. When you look at your job costing in Enterprise, you'll see how your actual overhead, labor, and material costs compare to your estimates, live and in real time, so you can make adjustments to keep that work on track. The client I mentioned, who became my lunch buddy, has a project-based business. One thing we took on was her job costing. She'd been making educated guesses before, but with Enterprise, she was able to see her complete job costs, including overhead, labor, and parts. She realized pretty quickly that her estimates needed to be higher. So she made that adjustment, and now her business is booming. Enterprise users also enjoy the efficiency of having an entire community of users sharing and communicating their knowledge. Over the last 30 plus years, this network of experts and practitioners has been answering questions, creating videos, and small business owners have found so much guidance and valuable information this way. It feels like a family, a really big family. QuickBooks Enterprise gets you more productivity more easily. I use it and recommend it for the vast majority of my clients because it's a total business management solution that's always easy to use.